Hey guys, so today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be the usual jolly happy vlog as you guys would normally see. We're just coming on to give you guys a quick little update on a scenario that happened while you guys not getting any usual vlog today. So it all started off when you guys will be seeing this video. This what I'm about to tell you happened like about 3 days ago. Thursday, I think it was Thursday, sometime Thursday afternoon.
Wednesday.
It was Wednesday?
Yeah,
What am I about to say?
When it started.
Okay, it was Wednesday night, right? Wednesday night. Wednesday lunch?
Yeah, after his nap.
Okay, Wednesday after his nap, I saw a little thing at Tyler's neck, and he keeps saying mama neck after his nap. So I thought it was like a spider that bites him, or a mosquito, or an ant, or something of the sort. And all I did was just put some, typical Jamaican, put some Vaseline over it to make it stop scratching. So the swelling went down after a few hours, and overlooked that. He went to bed Wednesday night and it was fine. And then Wednesday night he went to bed and woke up crying for his face, right?
Yeah.
Woke up crying for his face, and the same swollen look that was at the back of his neck is the same swollen look that was at the entire side of his face, like this. Again, I put some Vaseline on it because I thought that's what helped the one of his neck to go down. So I did the same thing, and that he went back to sleep. That was Thursday night. What's so funny?
I was just using the camera as a mirror. That's what I said.
That was Thursday night. Then Friday morning, he keeps saying mama back. He keeps saying mama back, change shirt. So knowing the smart kid that he is, I'm like, why do you want me to change your shirt? He keeps saying mama another shirt. So I say, you know what, let me go give him a bath. So I give him a bath, and before I give him a bath, when I take off his clothes, his back, half of his back have the same swollen look that was at his neck and on his face in his back. So I said, okay, let me give him a bath, rub some more Vaseline on it, and put him down for a nap. He was supposed to go to daycare and I was supposed to head to work. It so happened that he woke up from the nap about an hour later saying mama back. You guys, I'm going to insert some pictures and show you guys when I took off Tyler's shirt to look at his back, how his back look. And I just pick up the phone. I didn't panic, but I was concerned. I called babe right away and I said, babe, we have a problem. I am not going to work. I'm not taking Tyler to the daycare. I'm taking him directly to the hospital. So babe had to leave work and meet me at the hospital, and I don't know what else could have gone wrong.
When we say hospital is mainly because our doctor, well, Tyler doctor office is at the hospital. It's like a private hospital where his doctor office is. So that's the reason why we went to the hospital. We didn't go to the hospital like emergency, we need to go there. But it's more like because Tyler doctor office is inside the hospital. It's like a private hospital. So
Right.
we went there, we met each other there, and well,
I miss my boss. I missed my bus stop. I missed the hospital stop. I had to take a different bus and come back to the hospital.
Well, you are distracted. So and well, I usually when you need doctor, they're not there. So I went there, and I saw a closed door, and it was written no doctor today. So we ended up going to the hospital part of the hospital, if I can
The
call
emergency part of the
that.
hospital.
The emergency part, not because emergency, but because
Tyler doctor wasn't
right
there
when you
that
don't have doctor, when you have to go somewhere without appointment, that's where you're going. That's emergency. Like is when you reach, they just look appointment, how is the kid, and if you need emergency like care, or yeah, basically that's it. So we ended up going to the emergency. I have to wait 3 hours because it was full to see a doctor, and yeah, tell have
he have a virus. He have an allergic reaction to something. However, the doctor says it's not food, but they can't tell us what's the source of the allergic reaction. And what happened is that his skin is swollen with little bumps like hives, but then it will stay there for like an hour and a half, and then he just itches. It goes away, and then you don't know when it's going to reappear. So it goes away and it come back, it goes away and it come back. It's like it's playing games, and when it come back, it's not coming back in the same place. So you have to listen when Tyler telling you, mama, foot, back, neck, hand, wherever it comes up, it just comes up, and then it just goes away. So we see the doctor. They gave us prescription to get him medicine and soap to shower with. So we got back home. At the hospital, it was the worst. I'm gonna insert pictures so you guys can have an idea what I'm talking about. So that was that. We got the medication, came home. He had a terrible night. Funny enough, when we got home, the scratching wasn't it was there, but he went to bed, woke up crying. I had to take him out of his bed and let him sleep with me for most of the night. He didn't sleep so well, but he woke up this morning, and he's still his old self. Like he's not grumpy or anything. He's still eating the same and stuff like that. He's just itching. This morning it wasn't there. They all went away, but then he went down for a nap and some of them came back. But right now he's sleeping. He got his medicine and he showered with his soap. So I'm praying that it don't just keep and come back, pop up and go away, pop up and go away. But let's see. The good thing is he's taking the medicine and he's using the soap, so hopefully he'll get better soon. So that's why you guys really don't have any vlog today, because I wasn't really in the mood of vlogging. So we're just coming on to tell you guys what's been going on, and don't worry, he's okay and he'll be fine. So yeah, that's our little update of what's happening with my little boy. So you guys won't see Tyler today because he's sleeping right now.
And hopefully we come back tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow for sure. Hopefully.
Hopefully,
because if Tyler then have another episode, then this mama won't be vlogging. Sorry guys, but I'm sure you all understand. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys appreciate this. It's an update which we're giving you guys, and I will also give it a thumbs up or whatnot. Just catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
hopefully.
Bye guys.